an overview of opportunities and potential for trade, tourism and investment in the province of Jawa Tengah. Geographically speaking, Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world, including some 17,000 islands and stretching from Sabang in Sumatra to Merauke in Irian Jaya. Java is one of the largest islands in the archipelago. It is also the most densely populated. Approximately 60% of Indonesia's entire national population lives here. The province of Jawa Tengah is considered to be one of Indonesia's most strategic areas, measuring about 3.25 million hectares. It is inhabited by approximately 32.5 million people, or 13.5% of the national population, and has several greater urban centres, including 29 municipalities and 9 cities. It is situated in the centre of the island, between the provinces of West Java, East Java and the special region of Yogyakarta. Jawa Tengah includes some fertile rural areas used for agriculture and vast areas of hills, rivers, forests and mountains. It is well known for its fertile lands, its natural beauty, and also its rich history and culture. The capital Semarang, with a population of approximately 1.2 million people, is on its way to becoming a leading metropolitan centre. Since Jawa Tengah is considered to have such a strategic location, it is easy to travel or send goods to their required destination. Major means of overland transportation include roads and toll roads from Semarang to Solo, with an estimated total length of some 26,500 kilometres. Trains, supported by the state-owned train company, provide routes connecting most areas, while air traffic too is possible. A flight from Indonesia's capital Jakarta to Semarang, Jawa Tengah's capital, will take around 45 minutes. From Surabaya, only 30 minutes. From Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, it takes around 1.5 hours. By sea, there are several ports to be used as entrances to the region, among them Tanjung Emas in Semarang in the Java Sea and Cilacap on Java's south coast in the Indian Ocean. In 2012, there were 131 top-level star hotels, totaling 8,736 rooms, and about 1,237 modest inns, totaling 22,000 rooms. Jawa Tengah has about 284 tourist destinations in natural areas, another 55 cultural and historic tourist destinations, and 72 man-made tourist destinations. The Borobudur Temple is one of the favorite tourist destinations, as it is considered one of the 7 wonders of the world, attracting vast numbers of both domestic and international visitors. Other cultural historic objects include Prambanan Temple, the Sangiran Prehistoric Museum, the Dieng Plateau with the Gunung Songo temples strewn across it, the Chinese Sampu Kong Temple, Kasunan Palace in Surakarta and Karimunjawa Island. Destinations for pilgrimage include the grave of Sunan Kalijaga and the Great Mosque at Demak. Local ceremonies, rituals and cultural festivals are considered an important part of regional identity, which is the reason that many local and international cultural festivals and performances are always organised in many places throughout the region each year. The year 2013 is a milestone of Jawa Tengah culture and tourism awakening, because in this year Jawa Tengah attempts to accelerate the development of culture and tourism sector with Visit Jawa Tengah 2013. In conjunction with Visit Jawa Tengah 2013, the government and stakeholders present several events in and around Jawa Tengah province. There are 132 events. Some major events are the Borobudur International Festival in June 2013, the Borobudur 10-kilometer run in November, and the Indonesian Film Festival in December. Jawa Tengah's provincial government is continuously striving to improve the performance of its industry, trade and agricultural sectors, particularly in support of the plan of provincial economic self-sufficiency in the year 2013. Contributions from industry and trade to the economy have been increasing, with an estimated 356,000 businesses absorbing some 2.5 million workers. Total investment in these sectors in 2012 reached 1.9 trillion rupiah, an increase of 34% compared to the previous year. Jawa Tengah has at least 15 kinds of outstanding products. The number of micro, small and medium enterprises are around 26,000. The main products are carved wood, furniture and plywood, textile and its products, batik and garments, all examples of products that have entered the international market. In addition to these, Jawa Tengah is well known for some other international trade products, such as metalworks, brass, glass and leather, paper and printed materials, agro-industrial products such as tea, coffee, tobacco, nuts, peanuts, herbs, beverages and cigarettes. The provincial government of Jawa Tengah is fully aware that new investments are the driving factor, particularly foreign investments. In 2012, foreign investment in Jawa Tengah reached a value of 775 billion rupiah. In the same period, domestic investment has shown a value of 3.47 trillion rupiah. Most of the investments are in manufacturing, particularly wood, chemicals and metal. Other opportunities for development and investment are still wide open in sectors such as agro-industrial business, manufacturing industries, mining, tourism, infrastructure, ports, tollways, airports and railways. The government has implemented various policies in order to attract interested investors. Simplification of procedures for investment applications is one example. Improvements of the infrastructure for economic purposes, facilitating the formation of investment boards on a district level or another. It is now possible to process investment permits directly through a local government agency, which is a major change compared to previous years. In order to ensure that land is available for prospective investors, the provincial government offers industrial estates that provide ready-to-use land with or without buildings and warehouses. At present, there are 7 industrial estates in Jawa Tengah, offering competitive prices and services. It is also possible to invest in a bonded area in the harbour area of Semarang, the Tanjung Emas Export Processing Zone. Finally, more than just doing business here. Feel welcome to enjoy Jawa Tengah cultural and natural beauty and richness, the hospitality of its people and the tranquility of the region. Welcome to Jawa Tengah, Indonesia.